Okay, so here I am in Google Classroom, and mine looks a little bit different because I have the teacher view, but you're going to click on the assignment for it to open, and then you're going to find the directions in a PDF and the blank document that you're going to put your work on. So I have them open right here. What I usually do is that I put the directions on one side and what I'm going to work on the other. So I'm going to take this and I drag the tab over. Oh, and it didn't work, so I'm going to give it a try again. I'm going to wait until it looks like it's going to go half size. There we go. And then I open the directions on the other side. So it says step 1, open Google Classroom and open 01 Google Doc. We already did that. Then it says enter this, and when it says enter, it means type. So I'm going to type this. And I'm finishing up. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over to my directions. It says my document should look like this, and it pretty much does. And then it says step 2, formatting your text. So it says next you will be making some changes to the appearance of the text you typed. This is called formatting. Continue working in the same file, which is the file we've got, in step 1. Change the word easy in the first sentence to be italicized. Select the word easy by left-clicking with the mouse and beginning at the word and dragging to the end of the word. So, easy. So I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to click the italicize. Okay, I've got that. And I'm going to go down to the next one. It says next, change the word following directions and using help features in the second sentence to be underlined. Highlight the first group of words and choose the underline U from the home menu to underline them. Choose the second group of words, highlight them, and underline them. Okay, so it says following directions. And when it says highlight, it doesn't mean with a color, it just means to select. So following directions and using help feature. There. Now, number 3 says change the word Google Docs in the last sentence to be bold by highlighting the words and choosing B from the home menu to make them bold. So I'm going to go over here, select the word Google Docs, and I'm going to make it bold. Okay. I'm already on step 3, font style. In this step, you'll be changing the font style, size, and color. Font is another word for style of text. Change the font style of your entire paragraph. First, highlight it by left-clicking and dragging it to the beginning, so we know how to do that. I'm going to highlight it. Then it says, then click on the drop-down font menu on the Home tab and choose Trebuked, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to go up here, oops, not to format. I'm going to go to, font. Here it is, right here. And it's okay if it says MS. Looks good. Now it's, number 2 says, now change the size of the font by clicking the size drop down. So I'm going to go over here and go to 14. It's looking better. All right. Now it says, finally we'll change the color of the word Google Docs to blue. Highlight the word or select the word Google Docs, right like that, and then choose the color, text color, not highlight, but text, and we'll change it to a blue. It doesn't matter what blue. And now we're all the way down to step 4. Step 4 says aligning text. In this step, you'll be centering a title over what you've already created. Move your cursor to the line before the L. So that's the first line in the first sentence, and press the Enter key twice. Move your cursor back up to the top line of the document. Then it says type Learning Google Docs. Okay. Now highlight the title you've just typed by clicking and dragging across it and center it by choosing the Center tab. Okay, yours might be right there or it might not. If you go to More, it'll be under More and right there, and it centers it. Nobody should be putting spaces in there. So then it says change the title to, we have it in the right font, Tribute, I guess, but change it to size 18. And then it says it should be looking like that, which it does. Doing pretty well. And now let's go down to step 5.